5 seconds to go. Start. The appellant joined the Bihar State Financial Corporation in the capacity of an Assistant General Manager on 19th July 1974. After a period of 13 years in 1987, a complaint came to be filed against the appellant for having allegedly purchased 3 houses and 2 pieces of land in Bihar, which according to the complainant was disproportionate to appellant's known sources of income. This complaint was inquired into, and after a detailed investigation, the allegations were found to be false. Except for a residential house in Patna, which the appellant had purchased on 29th August 1988 for Rs 2,26,500 with the help of a loan from the BSFC, no other assets could be traced to the ownership of the appellant. However, despite finding no merit in the allegation, the investigation was kept pending. In the meanwhile, life moved on, and in 1996, the appellant joined the Oil and Natural Gas Commission as Deputy General Manager on deputation, keeping his lien with the BSFC. 4 years after joining ONGC, an FIR came to be registered against him on 21st February 2000 under sections 13(1)(d) and 13(2) of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 on the same allegation that he possessed assets disproportionate to his known sources of income. These alleged assets were purportedly acquired during his tenure with the BSFC, and consequently the check period in the FIR was considered from the date he joined BSFC, that is 19th July 1974, to the date of registration of the residential house purchased by him, that is 29th August 1988. The appellant wrote a letter to the Director General of Police Vigilance Patna on 18th April 2002 raising a grievance that the calculations in the FIR undervalued his income and overvalued his assets, thus depicting a false and inflated account of his expenditure. Eventually, a charge sheet came to be filed on 11 September 2007, that is about 7 years after the registration of the FIR, and in fact 20 years after the complaint on this very allegation was found to be false by the authorities. Be that as it may, the charge sheet filed against the appellant indicated that he earned a total income of Rs 3,01,561 and incurred an expenditure of Rs 5,24,386 during the check period. In view of this, the charge against the appellant was of having amassed Rs 2,22,825 disproportionate to his known sources of income. The charge sheet indicated two components of his income, being savings of Rs 1,13,018, one third of his salary, and income and car loan from BSFC worth Rs 1,88,480. On the other hand, the charge sheet included 6 components of his expenditure, being payment of Rs 2,26,500 towards the construction of his house, general expenditure during the check period of Rs 24,800, amount in bank deposit worth Rs 55,000, loan repayment of Rs 53,467, LIC deposit worth Rs 6,057, and estimated value of articles found during a search conducted on 21st February 2000 as being Rs 1,58,562. Stop.